In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Vrbo by property number. If you're new to Vrbo or simply looking for a more direct way to find a specific property, you're in the right place. We'll explore an efficient method that involves using the property ID directly in the URL. This process is incredibly straightforward and a great time saver, especially when you have a property ID on hand from a previous search or a recommendation you want to explore further. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to the Vrbo website. You can do this in any browser, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. It works the same way. Now you might be wondering, why the Vrbo website and not the app? While the app is great for exploring options, using a direct URL search gives you a quicker pathway for specific property IDs. Once you're on the Vrbo homepage, you'll notice there is a search bar prominently displayed. Typically, this search bar is used for entering locations, dates, and numbers of guests. However, today we're using it slightly differently. We're going to harness the power of this bar to go straight to our property of interest. What we will do next is type in a URL format directly into this search bar. The format you'll need is https www.rbo.com/ followed by the specific property ID. You don't need to worry about adding anything else, just ensure you don't misspell anything and that you accurately input the property number. For example, if the property ID you're searching for is 1234567, what you'll type in the search bar would be https www.vrbo.com/ 1234567. Simple, right? After entering the URL, hit Enter on your keyboard, and this should take you straight to the page dedicated to that particular property. This method skips over other listings and takes you directly to the property listing page you're interested in. Here, you can view all the details about the accommodation, see photos, check available dates, and perhaps most importantly, ensure this option fits perfectly with your travel plans. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to search for a property on Vrbo using its ID number. It's a great trick that streamlines your search and gets you exactly where you want to go without the added hassle of sifting through other listings. So, next time you have a property ID at hand, feel empowered with this direct searching method. It's as easy as pie, and you'll be connecting with your ideal Vrbo rental in no time. Thank you for joining today, and happy travels.